Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on VGGFace2, a dataset for recognizing the faces, such as image detection using VGGFace2, then image recognize using VGGFace2, and many more videos on face recognition. Today's video is really innovative, so I will explain in brief about the videos part of video. Face embedding methods have achieved success in face recognition or by comparing facial features in latest semantic. The cutoff value of face identity is in between, remember that, very important, in between 0.4 and 0.6. Face verification with VGGFace2 today is our intention video. Face verification using VGGFace2 model. I will show some faces which we need to recognize facial expression. This is of one, Shah Rukh Khan, second, then third, and this is different image, Virat Kohli. Yes, this is different image, and I want to compare these three faces with this Shah Rukh Khan with Virat Kohli faces. Now we will go through the program. We are comparing the different data set, importing the required library needed for the program. Then method, the next statement, extract face, in the sense extract single image. Then pixel is equal to PLD, read the image. Detector is equal to MTCNN. It is used for create a detector. Then next statement, x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, it is used for extract the bounding box. Then next statement, image is equal to image from array, image resize, it is used for resize the pixel to model size. The next method, get embedding, prediction has been done on different faces according to facial features. Then if the match is found, then it is checked with the identity is in between 0.4 and 0.6, and if it is not, then negative image. If it is yes, then the identity is between 4.0. So here 4 images are taken, 3 of Shah Rukh Khan and 1 of Virat Kohli. Embedding is done, prediction, then if positive test is displayed and negative test is displayed. Now I will execute the program. Yes, you can observe here, if the faces is match, so the face identity between 0.4 and 0.6, so it is in between 0.3 and 0.4, it is in between 0.4 and 0.6, and if face does not match, then it is in between 0.7 to 4. So I successfully done with face verification using VGGFace2 model. Since Shah Rukh Khan images are there, so and if the comparing that face images, then matching found is 2. But if Virat Kohli is there, so Virat Kohli face does not match, so that's why one negative test is there. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Thank you.